Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
All right, guys, we got a 2014 Mini Cooper. It's clean. Be a good rally car, to be fair, but that's beyond the point. Anyways, so I think the converter's up there. There's a vibrant on it. I don't know if we put that in or not, but it was in when we got here. We ran it all the way back. And then we put in a black Widowmaker and a new tip for him right there. Something a little bit different. Anyways, part number on that is BW0013-3. And ran it out, blue flame dual tip right there out the back to kind of match the blue. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bells. Not bad. Sound out. 108. Again. At 110 that time. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '14 Mini Coupe, the Black Widowmaker.